Hi guys, I just wanted to talk about yesterday's journey which I was not able to record. I have taken few shots of the ride, but it was approximately 6 hours of riding in heavy rainfall and it was really crazy. I started my ride from Kanyakumari to Varkala and it was a beautiful journey. I passed through different landscapes, each with its own charm. The rain kept showing up along the way, making the ride even more refreshing and memorable. I reached Varkala by 2 p.m. yesterday and I checked in, got a hot shower, dried out all my biker jacket and pants and everything, and I couldn't wake up anywhere in between. I woke up by 11 p.m. in the night. I had everything planned for the next day because now I'm left with just one day in Varkala, so I need to make sure that I visit most places. I'm walking from Zostel to the cliff right now, and I'll show you just how close it is. In less than 5 minutes, you reach the seashore where the stunning view of the ocean awaits. I'm going to start cliff walking today. It's 7:24 a.m. and yesterday I didn't get a chance to explore anything at all because I was really tired riding. So I'm going to take you through this journey of cliff walking today. Let's see how it goes. The view is so good, by the way. So yeah, I will be recording everything. Right now the cafes are not open yet. So I think by the time I reach the end, we might see some cafes getting open. So yeah. I am at a coffee shop today and I had the best coffee in the town. Like it's amazing and this place is really good for coffee lovers. So if you have a good taste for coffee, do visit Coffee Temple in Varkala. There's a Cafe Temple which is a different shop. So if you guys are into coffee, go to Coffee Temple, not Cafe Temple. It's like almost similar. I ended up there. I had my first coffee there and then I'm here. So today's plan is we have come for cliff walking right now. We are going to go to Jatayu after this. So right now the time is 8:40. I started from Zostel I think around 7:30 or so. So we are planning to go to Jatayu and then we come back here for the evening vibe. So let's hope for the best. I'll be taking my bike to Jatayu. I'm not sure if they're going to allow the drone or not. but I'm still like hoping for the best. So let's see. So I just wanted to thank for the best coffee ever. It's amazing. Got to come again in the evening and see what's the vibe of this place. And morning meet mostly. ஓகேங்க மீட் பண்ணுறேன் ஈவினிங் வரேன். So yeah, let's go. This is Jatayu Earth Center. Right at the front, we have the ticket counter where you can buy your entry ticket. If you are taking the cable car, you can get your ticket from the first floor. I took the cable car. Your cost for both the tickets would be somewhere near 500 bucks, and you reach to the top of the statue. So if you're bringing drone, make sure that you call them and see if there is any possibility or what is the process to get the drone up here. So yeah guys, I will be here for next 10-15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay. Then I came back to hostel to rest for a while and relax. As the sun started to set, I flew my drone to capture some beautiful sunset shots from hostel. After some time, I put all my gadgets aside and went to the cliff. I enjoyed a good cup of coffee at Coffee Temple, took a peaceful walk by the beach, and ended my trip to Varkala with a sense of peace and joy in my heart. I'm just sweating because I was trying to fit this bag, right? So, guys, we are at the end of this trip and it has been really, really inspiring. I I just cannot forget this trip ever. We are all set to leave. It's 5:58. I'll leave in 10 minutes. I think everything is packed in place. So